Here's some theater arts trivia. Subscribe. Who wrote the play Hamlet? Is it A. William Shakespeare, B. Arthur Miller, C. George Bernard Shaw, or D. Christopher Marlowe? The correct answer is A. William Shakespeare. Notable venue for the Royal Shakespeare Company. Is it A. Stratford-upon-Avon, B. Birmingham, C. Edinburgh, or D. London? The correct answer is A. Stratford-upon-Avon. Creator of West Side Story music. Is it A. Leonard Bernstein, B. Cole Porter, C. Andrew Lloyd Webber, or D. Stephen Sondheim? The correct answer is A. Leonard Bernstein. Playwright of Death of a Salesman. Is it A. David Mamet, B. Eugene O'Neill, C. Tennessee Williams, or D. Arthur Miller? The correct answer is D. Arthur Miller. Creator of The Phantom of the Opera. Is it A. Stephen Sondheim, B. Gaston Leroux, C. Charles Dickens, or D. Andrew Lloyd Webber? The correct answer is D. Andrew Lloyd Webber. What musical features the song Seasons of Love? Is it A. Wicked, B. Les Miserables, C. Rent, or D. Hamilton? The correct answer is C. Rent. Famous theatre in London's West End. Is it A. the Old Vic, B. the Lyceum, C. the Globe, or D. the Royal Theatre? The correct answer is B. the Lyceum. The genre of A Midsummer Night's Dream. Is it A. comedy, B. historical fiction, C. tragedy, or D. horror? The correct answer is A. comedy. The author of the Glass Menagerie. Is it A. Tennessee Williams, B. F. Scott Fitzgerald, C. Arthur Miller, or D. August Wilson? The correct answer is A. Tennessee Williams. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.